morning students, welcome again to our online classes. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home and enjoying our online classes. As you know, I am your EVS teacher Mrs. Sharja Misa from Winner Small Wonder Secondary School. Clear students? So, in previous class we have discussed about our country. Okay, and what is the name of our country? Tell me. Yes, India. And we have discussed about some national symbols like national flag. Tell me, which is our national flag? Yes, tricolor in English and Tiranga in Hindi. Okay, and we have discussed about national emblem. Clear? Then today we will continue our national symbols. So bring your book fast, bring a pencil and open page number 73 from here. Okay? Okay students, so let's start. National animal. Today we will discuss other national animal, national flower, national song. Okay, so first start from here, national animal. So tell me, which is our national animal? Yes, tiger. Okay, so tiger is our national animal. It is a symbol of power, speed, strength and royal grace. Look this picture. Looking wise, royal grace, एक royal personality होती है. Then power, speed and strength. Clear? So the national animal is tiger and it is symbol of power, speed, strength and royal grace. Clear? आपने देखा है लाइन को? लाइन इज सो स्पीड में फास्ट रन करता है ना? एंड पावर भी बहुत होती है, जल्दी से किसी अदर एनिमल को ईट कर लेता है. ओके, एंड द स्ट्रेंथ एंड रॉयल ग्रेस, जब वो चलता है तो रॉयल्टी दिखती है. ओके, सो द सिंबल ऑफ आवर नेशनल एनिमल इज power, speed, strength and royal grace. Clear? Next is national bird. National bird is peacock. Okay, look this picture. This is peacock. Clear? Start reading from here. Put the pencil here like this. The peacock is our national bird. It is a symbol of beauty, pride and grace. Okay, so our national bird is peacock and peacock is, आपने peacock को देखा है, so beautiful, बहुत beautiful है and pride and grace. Clear? So the peacock is our national bird. It is a symbol of beauty, pride and grace. Okay, have you seen the peacock? बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होता है, बहुत ग्रेसफुल होता है ना? एंड बहुत प्राइड होता है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, नेशनल फ्लावर. नेशनल फ्लावर इज लोटस. ओके, द लोटस इज आवर नेशनल फ्लावर. It is a symbol of beauty and purity. Clear? So look this picture. This is our national flower, lotus. Okay, and it is a symbol of beauty and purity. Clear? Turn the page. National song. Our national song is Vande Mataram. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So, जब भी हमारा नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं तो वी कॉल नेशनल सॉन्ग एंड नेशनल एंथम. सो व्हाट इज अवर नेशनल song Vande Mataram. Clear? And it is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Clear? Okay. So national song is Vande Mataram and it composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Clear, students? Next, national anthem. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. और जो हमारा नेशनल एंथम हम स्पीक करते हैं, नेशनल एंथम स्पीक करते हैं इन विच डे? यस, इन आवर स्कूल we celebrate our national festivals, so we sing national song, national anthem. So national anthem क्या है हमारा? Yes, Jana Gana Mana. Clear? And it was composed by, किसने बनाया इसको, किसने राइट किया है? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Clear? Okay, students, I hope you all understand clearly. Now, time to answer. Choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Clear? Look this picture. This is page number 74. So, the national animal of India is lion or tiger? Yes, tiger. So, we will write टाइगर. ओके, टाइगर है हमारा. तो आप क्या करेंगे? टिक हियर, टाइगर के ऊपर टिक करेंगे एंड वी विल राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ टाइगर इन द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट, देयर आर डैश लायंस इन द नेशनल एम्बलम, 3 or 4. हाउ मेनी लायंस आर देयर इन नेशनल एम्बलम? Yeah, 3 or 4? Yes, 4. 4 lines back to back top of the national emblem. Okay, so we will write here 4 and take here 4 के ऊपर हम क्या करेंगे? Write करेंगे. Clear? Next, our national song was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee or Rabindranath Tagore. Who was composed our national song? National song was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So we will write here Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and take here Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Clear? Next one is our national flag is called डैश इन हिंदी, तिरंगा और भारत. तिरंगा. सो वी विल राइट हियर तिरंगा. भारत किसको बोलते हैं? भारत हिंदी में इंडिया को बोलते हैं. वी कॉल भारत इन हिंदी. ओके, इंडिया को हम हिंदी में क्या कॉल करते हैं? भारत. क्लियर? और आवर नेशनल फ्लैग इंग्लिश में वी कॉल ट्राई कलर एंड हिंदी में क्या कॉल करते हैं? तिरंगा. सो वी फिल हियर तिरंगा. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ बुक एक्सरसाइज. ओपन पेज नंबर 74. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, page number 74, fill in the blanks. Clear? So first one is the dash is our national bird. Dash. First we read the sentence. The dash is our national bird. Tell me our national bird is, yes, peacock. So we will write here peacock. Okay. Number 2. Dash is our national song. Okay. So read this sentence. Dash is our national song. Tell me. Our national song is Vande Mataram or Jana Gan Man. Which one? Yes, Vande Mataram. So we will write here Vande Mataram. Okay. So read again. Vande Mataram is our national song. Clear? Next. The wheel in the flag is called dash. Next is the wheel in the flag is called, जो फ्लैग के अंदर ब्लू कलर का व्हील होता है जिसमें 24 स्पोक्स होते हैं, है ना, वी कॉल्ड अशोका चक्र. सो वी विल राइट हियर अशोका चक्र. Clear? So the wheel in the flag is called Ashoka Chakra. Clear? So you will write here Ashoka Chakra. Clear, students? Next, fourth fill-up is dash is the capital of India. Okay, so tell me, which is the capital of India? कौन सी है? Yes, New Delhi. Okay, so we will write here New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Read with me. New Delhi is the capital of India. Clear, students? Now next question is match the followings. Okay. Yes. Followings. So number 1 is peacock. Peacock is our national song, national bird. Peacock क्या है? National bird. So B. हम A को किससे 1 को किससे मैच करेंगे? 1 को B से. Okay. You will match the 1 to B and you will write here 1. Okay? Okay, students? Now 2. Second number is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. So search it, national flower. national song, no. National bird, then national flower. So second number lotus को C से national flower से मैच करेंगे. So number 2 C. Okay, and you will write here 2 and match it. Okay. Number 3 tiger. Tiger is our national animal. So where is national animal? Look, search it. National song, national bird, national flower, national anthem, and last one is national animal. So we will match the E. Okay, and we will write here 3. Okay, so number 3 match the E. Okay, हम 3 को मैच से क्या करेंगे? मैच. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट 4th जन गण मन. जन गण मन इज नेशनल एंथम. ओके, सो सर्च इट. नेशनल एंथम, नेशनल सॉन्ग, नेशनल बर्ड, नेशनल फ्लावर, देन नेशनल एंथम. सो वी विल मैच 4 to D. Okay, 4 number to D. Clear? And we will write here 4 also. Now last one is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is national song. So number A is national song. So we will match the A. Okay. Okay, students. Okay. Now next question is write the correct option. Okay. Write the correct option. Okay, so number 1 is New Delhi or Jaipur is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? New Delhi and Jaipur. Which one? New Delhi. So we will take here. Okay, this one is New Delhi is the capital of India. Clear? Next one is Rabindranath Tagore composed our national song or national anthem. So first we write here national song and national anthem. Okay. Now tell me, Rabindranath Tagore was composed national anthem. So we will write the national anthem. Okay. So like this, ऐसे आप टिक लगाइए इस पे. Clear? Next is white color in the national flag stand for peace or justice. Peace. Okay. So first we write peace and okay. So we will write the peace. Okay, you will write here peace. Okay. Next is we should disrespect our national symbols. हमें नेशनल सिंबल्स को क्या रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, डिसरिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए? Yes, respect. So first we will write and we will tick here. Okay? This one is respect. Clear? So this is your book activity. Do only your book. Okay? And the question answer will send on Friday in PDF form. Clear, students? I hope you all understand clearly. Thank you.